Houston's climate is a mix of sweltering summers, mild winters, and high humidity, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. One often overlooked way to improve your home's energy performance is by upgrading to energy-efficient doors. By replacing outdated doors with modern, insulated models, you can significantly reduce energy loss, lower utility bills, and enhance indoor comfort. If you're looking to make your home more energy efficient in Houston, here's what you need to know about door replacements. How energy-efficient doors save you money. Your home's doors serve as an essential barrier between the interior and exterior environments. When doors are old, poorly sealed, or made of inefficient materials, they allow heat transfer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This inefficiency leads to higher energy consumption and costly utility bills. Energy-efficient doors, on the other hand, are designed to minimize heat exchange, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Key features of energy-efficient doors. When considering an energy-efficient door replacement, here are some important features to look for. Insulated core. Doors with polyurethane or polystyrene foam insulation help maintain a stable indoor temperature. Low-E glass panels. If your door has windows, choosing low-E, low emissivity, glass can reduce heat transfer and block harmful UV rays. Weather stripping and seals. A tight seal around the door frame prevents air leaks and drafts. Energy Star certification. Energy Star rated doors meet strict energy efficiency standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Best materials for energy-efficient doors. The material of your door plays a significant role in its energy performance. Here are some of the best options available. Fiberglass. One of the best choices for energy efficiency, fiberglass doors offer excellent insulation, durability, and low maintenance. Steel. Steel doors with an insulated core provide strong security and energy savings, though they may be prone to dents. Wood with insulation. Traditional wood doors are beautiful but can be inefficient unless reinforced with insulation. Composite. A combination of materials designed for superior energy efficiency and durability. The benefits of replacing your doors in Houston. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors offers multiple benefits beyond lower energy bills. Enhanced comfort. No more hot drafts in the summer or chilly breezes in the winter. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to homebuyers and can boost resale value. Reduced carbon footprint. Using less energy means lowering your home's environmental impact. Better security. Modern doors come with advanced locking mechanisms for enhanced safety. Choosing the right door for your Houston home. When selecting an energy-efficient door, consider your home's style, climate needs, and budget. A professional door installation service can help you choose the best fit based on your home's existing insulation and energy requirements. Additionally, ensuring proper installation is crucial, as even the best energy-efficient doors will underperform if not sealed and aligned correctly. Finding the best energy-efficient doors in Houston. Many local and national manufacturers offer energy-efficient doors suitable for Houston's climate. Look for brands that specialize in high-performance doors with Energy Star certification. Working with a reputable contractor ensures you get quality products and professional installation, maximizing your energy savings. Make the switch today and start saving. With Houston's fluctuating temperatures and high energy costs, an energy-efficient door replacement is a smart investment. Not only will it help you save on utility bills, but it will also improve comfort, security, and the overall value of your home. If you're ready to upgrade your doors, reach out to a local expert to explore your options and start enjoying the benefits of a more energy-efficient home today.